District ya Kamwenje tugenzire tugetorora mpora kandi omu district egi of course nebintu bingi ebirumu ebitushemerire kumanya enyuma ho turebere egari y'omwika twabasa kureba na nebyafayo byayo kandi twayongera twabasa okureba na nemirimo okwera kutambura omu tahuni eya Kamwenje obwire obwekiro hamwe na n'obwire obwihangu mbwenu omurundo ogu omu kicweka kitu ekya kashatu turukutwara mu district eya Kamwenje twakuletera ebyobwegese omu district egi tubasize okutunga omugisha ogwo kumanya okubiri kugenda kandi omuri ebyo amashomero agabasize okutayayirwa nago agari kutamburira amusingi ogwa government agarimu Kamwenje Secondary School, Kamwenje Primary School nangwa twabasa nanokutayayira hagandi Joseph Opoya orukukuri ishomero erya Kamwenje Secondary School nagirangu rekatandika 1982 kandi niryo rutwire rukora kurungi omuryago agarukusingayo omuri Kamwenje na munonga omu mashomo aga science kandi omukutunga ebikozeso ebya science niryo ryebembire
along as you saw the structures. The parents had the initiative to construct some of the buildings that you saw. But in 2011, the government under the World Bank project constructed these structures that you see. And also on top of that, His Excellency the President pledged and fulfilled his pledge of colossal sum of money, totaling to around 409 million shillings, which went in 2 labs, the computer lab, which is also doubles also as a library. Then staff quarters there. So the president gave us a lot of support, and we are very grateful for that. I found the academic position of this school a bit shaky because the performance has been poor in terms of Division 1. But this other Division 2, 3 has been on average. So despite the potential the school has, there has been a low performance at both O and A level.
Owe turukugenda omumisho turukuganiraho nawe ahacyo buhereza obwa government okuburi kwika omu mashomero nagirangubo obwabo obuhereza ebintu nibabitunga omubwire kandi ekyo kibuherire abana okubasa okushoma kurunja ishomereri
comes fairly in time because we have been given the schedule, so it is up to us to move within that schedule so that we don't break down. However, when you look at the cost of living and also cost of resources, you find every other time the money cannot be enough. But we try to live within the means and within the resources that government gives us so that we push on slowly.
Munonga ka district konka tukageragereza Kamwenje district nke district zakuziriho kare nka Kabarore nka Mukambarara kaza Ibanda tushine challenges habo kuba umutweka ibingi ibyitu bya Kamwenje twinemo abafuruki abiziremo hati, so new areas are being opened up ngwino ko kuzanko bitweka bya Bwizi sub county Biguri sub county Nkukukwe Akanaro kwifwe noshanga tukineme buzibu nabihanga tinaho ebitweka ebitina amashomero, so nikibana kimanyisa twante nonga abana bona bashome ebitweka ebindi n'amashomero mbere ndiyo mu rutaya rw'amashomero muri Biguri sub county cyangire haronka kitweka cya Bwebishahi distance mpango hariho areas abantu barimo nibingi abana barimo harimo ubushomero buryaho butandikira konka ushanga they are lacking hari ibyo kwetenga so tukina urugendo rwo kureba ngo ibishweke ibi byagira government schools mu birehwire tukasubmitinga nashi ukwerezeyo urukararo rwa areas amashomero gashobora kuba grant aided kuyamirwaho government konkahabwe nshonga ngo hakabaho some sort of I can't call it ban suspension of grant aiding strategies so izo areas nazo zikine bizi kandi n'ikindi especially that's on the primary sector na secondary ni kokwe abo kuba twineho ka sub counties tine government secondary schools nkabwizi sub county Siriba sub county Kwaza Bihanga sub county Kanara sub county kaza Buhanda sub county izo zone tizine government schools.
People have settled down to work. What has been a hindrance here has been majorly the attitude. The students have not been fully mobilized. Some parents have not been sensitized. But the trend has changed. At least I see many parents committed to this, the learning of their children, which is positive. Now, as you see this lab, it's really fully equipped. Last year we purchased lab equipment out of the presidential pledge worth 10 million shillings on top of what was available in the laboratory. So it is one of the most, I could say it is the most well-equipped school in terms of science, apparatus and chemicals. Yeah. So our task as administration is to manage and see an improved performance.
Omuri Kamwenje amashomero agarukurirwa government aminji embera yago terinungi wabano leba amashomero ago agabasize kutayayiru nobukira abengu negakora kurungi tweyongire kubasa okuhika ahali Kamwenje primary school kandi eri shomero riri omu tawuni eya Kamwenje ahagati konka warireba nobasa kugira ngo nirumwe aha mashomero agaryoko mu cyaro munonga omunda namwe nanendebeka yaryo lyine abana rukaga 38 kandi lyine ebizimbe bishatu byonka kandi ebizimbe ebyo nabyo bukozire munonga abana abo bwojo nanabishiki mbo bari kushomera omwishomereri abozo nabana 289 kandi abishiki nabana bishatu 89 ntolebe namba yabiki nesinga eyabasigazi kandi nibagira ngo ishomereri rekatandika 1959 ubwa hati nerumwe alyago amashomero agarukusingayo obukuru konka kutugerezoho kwetorora ishomereri twashanga ngo abana rukaga 38 bine kihoronyo kimwe ekibaru kukolesa abe kitongole ekya UPDF kubashutamire babasa kuhereza ishomereri obuyambi kandi obwa hati bariyo nibombekaho ebizimbe bibiri ebiri kutekatekwa kwiza kweraho abana omubirasi ebibarabe nibashomeramo kucendeza omwijurano turi kuganiraho na mukuru w'ebyo bwegese omu district eya Kamwenje Eric Tumwingiye nagira ngo kimwe akiri kugaruza enyuma amashomero ga Kamwenje no kugira ngo abashomesa tibine bintu birukumara kandi yayongera yacumitiriza munonga ahaburaro ahabo kubagamwe aha mashomero tigaruka bubasa kubasa kwereza abashomesa bakarara hihi rero bakashomesa abantu
government no manya government programs zo kuba kuri zinga center zizinga kotari buri myezi 3 barorizinga set kandi ibikwasera ha mashomero nka capitation grant tubakirizinga sete kotare hati batiroho program yo kurizinga sete every time 3 times yabo kuba mu mwaka amashomero go binogagene times 3 so ubwakare kandi cyererwa konka rigenda hati bitandikire kuba anytime capitation grant for both primary na secondary kandi na salaries people are getting salaries in time. Of course, challenges zozo mukonka bikwasira hari real releases of funds batamurereza rero nizije akaraho twatwinde challenges kwihaho when it comes to construction of course sometimes kura ko wayinenka mushima ko mwombeka you have to be very careful sente zakizire you cannot submit for procurement kayo handiko ngo tanika kombeka no zirinda konka nko kumanya katugira ngo project yene miliyoni igana kota ni cyo cyo isanga buri kota ne bohereza miliyoni 25 meaning after the second quarter at least no wacu muri tingira nka miliyoni 5 aho no basukutana kakombeka to avoid the possibility of not getting enough funds so far for the last years really ibyo babere program zitu tuzikozire challenges zo tsikabura konka tugezeho kukombeka twaheza projects zitu